How to turn off notifications on Discord iPad. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications on Discord for your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to turn off notifications on Discord on your iPad, now let's say you receive constantly notifications from Discord and you would like to turn that off. Open the settings application here, and on the left hand side simply go to the option called notifications, and when you go to the option known as notifications, over here you will find Siri suggestions. So you want to make sure to tap the Siri suggestions option that you can find there, and from here on you should be able to see a list of all the apps. Just look for Discord, and then by default the toggle could be turned on, so you want to make sure to turn off the toggle right next to the Discord app to turn off any notifications from Discord. This way you can turn off notifications on Discord on iPad. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.